Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create shrinking sticky header with Elementor Pro in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor Pro plugin and then on screen you see header. Now scroll down. So we are going to make shrinking sticky header in Elementor Pro. Now go to WordPress dashboard. On left side you see templates and then you see save template. So click on it. Then click on all and then you see header tab. So click on it. Now scroll down. You see this is our template header for our WordPress website. And then you see edit with Elementor. So click on it. Then go to header template. So this is our header. And then on top you see edit section. So click on it. And then on left side you see edit section layout style advanced and then in layout you see column gap. Now drop down select no gap and then you see height default, vertical align middle and then you see overflow default and HTML tag drop down select header. So this is our setting and then on top you see advanced, so click on it and then we are going to add CSS class. Now paste sticky header and you will find all CSS class and custom CSS in video description or in comment section. Then you see motion effect, so click on it and then you see sticky drop down none, so select top and then you see sticky on, so add desktop and then you see effect offset, so add 90 and then you see image widget, so click on it and then go to advanced tab, so click on it and now we are going to add CSS class logo. Now you see and you will find all CSS class and custom CSS in video description or in comment section. So we added CSS class in edit section and also we added CSS class in image widget and again go to edit section. Now you see edit section, so click on it and then on left side you see advanced tab and we are going to add custom CSS for classes we added on edit section and on image widget. Now scroll down, you see custom CSS, so click on it. Now we are going to paste CSS and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. Now in custom CSS you see header height 100px, so you can add header height according to your requirement and then you see shrink header to 0.6 and then you see transition 0.45 second. So you can customize CSS according to your requirement and then click on update. Now update done and go to page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see header is shrinking, so this is a sticky header. Now scroll up back to original size and scroll down, you see shrinking sticky header and you will find all CSS class and custom CSS in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.